Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and a very good morning to you all in today's lecture. And my dear students, this is the very important topic in Cambridge syllabus of mathematics. What we have done so far, we have done the congruence and similarity in the previous topic, and we have learned about the concepts of congruent figures and similar figures. So I'm going to revise the definition of congruent and similar figures. Let me revise the previous concepts: that if two figures are congruent, the corresponding sides and corresponding angles of both figures must be same, and if two figures are similar, then the corresponding angles of two figures must be same, and the ratio of the corresponding sides of two figures must also be same. This topic is related to the previous topic, and this is the topic congruence and similarity tests. So if you have figures in front of you and you have to check that whether these figures are congruent or similar, so you have to apply these tests on that figures. So first of all, in today's lecture we will inshallah discuss about a congruence test. Congruence tests, ठीक है. हम आज we have 4 types of congruence test, but today we will discuss about just two congruence tests, right? So the first test is SSS congruence test, right? What does it mean? SSS means side, 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 right? What is the definition of this test? If the three corresponding sides of a figure are equal to the three corresponding sides of another figure, then these two figures are congruent. These two figures are congruent, right? So I have drawn two triangles in front of you, and I have mentioned the sides of the lines on the triangle. So we have to see whether the three corresponding sides of triangle ABC are equal to the three corresponding sides of triangle XYZ. So see that AB, right? AB has the corresponding side of XZ. Because AB, right, and AB has one line, and here XY has one line on this line on the side. So AB and XY are corresponding sides. Then BC and here YZ. Start from B, right? B, C and YZ. Okay, so these two are corresponding sides because BC has two lines and YZ also has two lines on the side. So it means BC and YZ are the two same corresponding sides. So BC and YZ here equal. BC is equal to YZ. And the third side, you can say AC and XZ. AC, start from A, AC and XZ also are corresponding sides because they have three lines on the two sides. So AC and XZ are also same. AC and XZ. So we have proved that the three corresponding sides of first triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of other triangle, so these two triangles are congruent because it has fulfilled the congruence test. So now move towards the question of this test. I will solve a question on the board for you and you have to see very carefully. Okay, my dear students, this is a question for you, and we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent or not. So we have to apply the congruence test. As I have told you that SSS, we can apply the first test because we have the sides mentioned in both triangles, like either here 4 9 7 4 9 7, we have mentioned the sides of both triangles, so we can apply the first test SSS, side. So we have to prove that whether the three corresponding sides of first triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the other triangle or not. If these are equal, so these two are congruent triangles, otherwise these are not congruent triangles. So we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent or not. We have to prove that triangles are congruent or not. Congruent, right? So this is chapter 11 from D3 book and the page is 344, right? So okay, ABC and triangle XYZ. So how we can see the corresponding sides of both triangles, right? So I am going to tell you a technique, right? So the 9 centimeter, right? See carefully. In front of 9 centimeter there is a vertex, and in this diagram in front of 9 centimeter there is X vertex. So A and X are corresponding vertices. I am going to repeat. In front of 9 centimeter there is a vertex. In this diagram in front of 9 centimeter there is X vertex. So A and X are corresponding vertices. Like you can write this, A and X are the corresponding vertices. This is the arrow, right? These two are corresponding vertices. So in front of 4 there is C, and here in front of 4 there is Y. So C and Y are the corresponding vertices, right? So what is left? In front of 7 there is B, in front of 7 there is Z. So B and Z are the corresponding vertices. Okay, so AC and XY, AC and XY are the corresponding sides, AC and XY, and these are AC and XY. AC is 7, XY is also 7, that is 7 centimeter, right? Now CB, YZ, CB and YZ, CB and YZ, CB 9 and YZ 9. So this is also 9, equal. And then AB and XZ, first last, AB and XZ, AB and XZ, there is 4. I am going to repeat. This is a technique for you that how you can judge the corresponding sides. In front of 9 there is A, here in front of 9 there is X. So A and X are corresponding vertices. And then in front of 7 there is B, here in front of 7 there is Z. So B and Z are corresponding vertices. And here in front of 4 there is C, here in front of 4 there is Y. So C and Y are corresponding vertices. So how you can join AC XY are corresponding sides 7, then CB and YZ are the corresponding sides, that is 9, and then AB and XZ are the corresponding sides, that is 4. So it means all the three corresponding sides of triangle first are equal to the three corresponding sides of other triangle. So these are congruent triangles by applying the SSS test. So we can say that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle XYZ. ब्रैकेट में SSS लिखते हैं आप, right? So we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So now move towards the second test, right? Okay, dear students, this is the next question for you, and this is about SAS congruence test, side angle side. What is the abbreviation of SAS? Side angle side, right? So what is the definition of this test? If two sides and one included angle of one figure are equal to the two corresponding sides and one included corresponding angle of the other figure, then that two figures are called congruent figures. So see in the example, I have drawn two triangles for you, and I have mentioned two sides and one angle in the triangle. So let us see these two figures. That see triangle ABC. So what I have told you in the previous question, that how we can identify the corresponding sides and corresponding vertices. So here in front of capital 8, that is C. So first of all, let me tell you the corresponding vertices. A and P are the corresponding vertices, because on A there is 80, here on P there is 80. So A and P are the corresponding vertices, right? So in front of 8, that is C, and here in front of 8, that is R. So C and R are the corresponding vertices. And in front of 7, there is B. Here in front of 7, there is Q. So B and Q are the corresponding vertices, B and Q. So now AC and PR are the corresponding sides, CB and RQ are the corresponding sides, AB and PQ are the corresponding sides, right? So here see, AB is 8, and here PQ is also 8. AB and PQ has same sides, 8, 8, right? So AC and PR is also same, 7, 7. AC is 7 and PR is also 7. So two corresponding sides are equal in both figures, and one included angle. What does it mean? It means that the angle should be between the two equal corresponding sides, right? So here 80 is between the two sides, and here also 80 is between the two corresponding equal sides. So in this test, A is in the middle. See very carefully, A is in the middle. So it means this angle is included angle, and it should be between the two corresponding equal sides in both figures. And we have proved that 80 angle is between the two corresponding equal sides. So the rule is applying in these two figures, and this test is fully applying in these two triangles. So these two triangles are called congruent triangles, because triangle ABC and triangle PQR are having this test, SAS. So we can write here that AB is equal to PQ is equal to 8. Sorry. AC and PR is equal to 7, right? And A is equal to P is equal to 80. So 80 degree. So it means these two triangles are congruent triangles. ABC is congruent to PQR, and test is SAS. Right, my dear students, I hope that you have understood this test also. If you have any question, please leave a message, and next move towards another question about SAS test. Okay, dear students, we have to prove that these triangles are congruent or not. Okay, so we have to apply the tests, right? I have told you the two tests, SSS and SAS, side, 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 and side angle side. But we cannot apply the first test on these diagrams because we do not have the three sides in both diagrams. You can see that 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. The third side is missing in both figures, so we cannot apply the SSS test, right? Sorry. So we have to apply the second test, SAS, side angle side. What that test says that if the two corresponding sides, if the two sides of first triangle, if the two sides and one included angle of first triangle are equal to the two corresponding sides and one corresponding included angle of other figure are same, then two figures are congruent figures. So we have to see that these requirements are have been fulfilled or not in these figures. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. The two corresponding sides are same, and the angle 40 here and 40 here is included angle. What does it mean? That 40 angle is between the two sides, and here 40 angle is between the two corresponding sides, corresponding equal sides. So these triangles are congruent, and by SAS test, right? These two triangles are congruent triangles. These are congruent. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood all the lecture. I am going to send you a worksheet along this lecture, and you have to fill that worksheet as soon as possible. We'll meet inshallah in the next lecture. I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture. Stay blessed, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.